Hey guys, what's up? This is Ritesh, and today we're gonna be building a simple wave animation using our canvas element and JavaScript. So let's get started. So first thing first, you need a simple library, the wave library right here, which is available at github.com/riteshpuja/sinewave, and I will link this URL in the description. And you can just go ahead and download this wave.min.js. I've already done that, and I have also created a waves directory on my computer, and you can see the wave.main.js is already in the directory, and I have imported this directory into my Sublime text editor. So let's get started. First thing first, we're going to create a simple HTML page called index.html. Now our HTML content is quite simple. You just need a canvas element. Make sure to give it an ID so that you can refer it into JavaScript, and width and height. For visual design, I'm just gonna define a simple style here. Make the canvas element dark, right? And also let's remove the margin from the body. Right, so at this point, if I open this into my browser, you can see a black box right here. So let's import this library into our project. It's called wave.min.js. We can also create our own JavaScript file to handle our wave applications, and let's call it worker. Rather than adding everything into index.html, I prefer to put parts of it on JavaScript file and import it. So I'm creating a new file called worker.js. Okay, so the entry point of our application will be window.onload method. So first thing first, we need the canvas element. We call it my canvas, and let's take the context element as well. Alright, so let's build our first wave. We call it wave, and it will take a configuration object. You can see all the configuration that it required right here in the readme.md file, and right here it defines what are the properties that you can set and reset. So the only thing that is necessary is the canvas property, and we have provided the canvas, and now we just need to call the draw method on the wave element and it should work. So if I define it, right, as you can see, the wave is already, you can already see the wave is, the color is, default color is red. That is defined here. We can change the color right here. Let's just change some properties here. Let's make it blue, and let's shift also. Shift is used to increase or decrease the speed of the wave, like how fast is gonna move across the canvas. So if I define it set 60, you should see a fast moving wave. Let's just stick to 20. The default is 10. Let's stick to 20. Also, let's make the canvas a little bigger. Now, a little problem with this animation is that you can only add one wave to it, because the inbuilt functionality of the wave is refreshing the entire canvas at the same time. So basically only one wave will be visible at a particular time. uh, to get rid of that problem, we just need to create our own draw method, and using window.request animation frame, we'll keep repeating the draw method. And what we need is a clear method. It actually provides one for us, so you can use this one as well. And wave.redraw will draw a simple key point of the animation, so I can define multiple waves here. Right, let's change the color of the couple one. It will be green, it will be orange. Let's stick with 3 here. Alright, so wave 2.redraw, wave 3.redraw. Let's also change some of the properties, like this one will be 30 and this will be 40, and also give a phase shift as well. So this phase shift, it will move a phase shift to 30, it will move a phase shift to 60. Little problem here, but wave.clear is not a method. Wave.clear canvas is the method, and you can also make the shift to negative to make the wave move in the opposite direction. So if you can refresh the page, you can see the animation right here. One of the wave is moving on the opposite direction, the other one is moving in the left direction. So it's looking very still right now, so let's decrease this one, and you can see the green wave is also moving in the right direction. So that's it for this tutorial, and have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video.